So friends, today OnePlus has officially announced that the highly anticipated launch event for its latest smartphone, the OnePlus 13T, will take place on April 24. Alongside this announcement, the company revealed the striking new design of the device along with three elegant color options. Breaking from the design tradition of previous OnePlus flagships, the OnePlus 13T features a refreshed aesthetic with a rounded rectangular rear camera module and a sharp right-angle transitions, offering a clean, minimalist look. This marks a distinct shift in design language, positioning the 13T as both stylish and sophisticated. The device will be available in three stunning matte finish shades, and those are Morning Mist Grey, Ink Black, and the standout Heartbeat Pink. Each color is low in saturation, adding the phone's refined and premium feel. And from the very start, our design direction was clear: minimalist, refined, flat, said OnePlus executive �𝐿𝐴𝐺𝐿, with a 6.32-inch flat display, ultra-slim bezels, a unibody metal build featuring the new metal cube deco, and smooth corners. The OnePlus 13T exemplifies the brand's commitment to elegance in a compact form, truly small yet beautiful. According to earlier leaks, the OnePlus 13T will feature a 6.3-inch 1.5K flat display with extremely narrow bezels, the powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Extreme Edition processor, a large 6200 mAh battery, and 80-watt fast charging, promising top-tier performance in a sleek pack. And some more details will be revealed during the official event on 24 April. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.